Welcome to Car World, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest automotive news, and expert insights. If you love cars and want to stay updated on the newest models, features, and innovations, you're in the right place. Today, we take a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2025 BMW M7, a luxury performance sedan that pushes the boundaries of speed, technology, and comfort. The 2025 BMW M7 is a masterpiece of engineering, combining the refined elegance of the 7 Series with the raw power of BMW's M division. Under the hood, it boasts a monstrous twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 700 horsepower. This powertrain is designed to provide an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining the luxury and sophistication expected from a flagship sedan. With BM's advanced X-Drive all-wheel drive system, the M7 ensures exceptional traction and handling, making it a capable performer in all driving conditions. Performance is further enhanced with the inclusion of an adaptive M suspension system that adjusts in real time to road conditions, ensuring a smooth yet dynamic ride. The M7 also features rear-wheel steering, which improves maneuverability at low speeds and enhances stability at higher speeds. The acceleration is breathtaking, with the M7 going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. Beyond its incredible performance, the 2025 BMW M7 is a technological marvel. The interior is designed to offer the ultimate driving experience with premium materials, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. A massive curved display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital instrument cluster with BM's latest iDrive system. The iDrive 9 interface is powered by AI, providing personalized suggestions, voice control, and an intuitive user experience. Additionally, the M7 is equipped with a head-up display, augmented reality navigation, and an advanced driver assistance suite that includes adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Passengers in the rear are treated to unparalleled luxury, with executive seating that includes massage functions, ventilation, and extended legroom. A rear seat entertainment system featuring high-definition touchscreens and a premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system ensures that every journey is as enjoyable as it is comfortable. The cabin is also equipped with BM's new Air Console gaming feature, allowing passengers to play interactive games during long trips. The exterior design of the 2025 BMW M7 is both aggressive and elegant. A redesigned front grille with illuminated M badging gives it a bold presence on the road. The sleek lines and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to both aesthetics and performance, reducing drag while improving stability at high speeds. Carbon fiber elements on the roof, side mirrors, and rear spoiler add to the sporty appeal while keeping the weight in check. The M-specific quad exhaust setup not only looks stunning but also delivers a deep and aggressive exhaust note that perfectly matches the car's character. BMW has also made significant advancements in sustainability with the 2025 M7. The car incorporates eco-friendly materials in its interior, including vegan leather alternatives and recycled materials. Additionally, the latest mild hybrid technology helps improve fuel efficiency without compromising performance. BMW's commitment to sustainability ensures that the M7 is not just a high-performance machine but also a step toward a greener future. Customization options for the M7 are extensive, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences. From exclusive M colors and bespoke interior trims to advanced carbon ceramic brakes and track-focused upgrades, BMW offers a range of personalization choices. Whether you prefer a stealthy all-black look or a vibrant, attention-grabbing finish, the M7 can be configured to match your style. In terms of safety, the 2025 BMW M7 comes packed with cutting-edge features. The advanced collision avoidance system uses AI to predict potential hazards and assist the driver in making split-second decisions. The night vision system, which detects pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions, adds an extra layer of security. With BM's latest advancements in autonomous driving, the M7 can handle highway cruising with minimal driver input, making long journeys more relaxing. Owning the 2025 BMW M7 is more than just having a high-performance luxury sedan, it's an experience. It embodies the perfect balance of power, innovation, and elegance. Whether you're a driving enthusiast looking for thrilling performance or a luxury seeker who values comfort and cutting-edge technology, the M7 delivers on every front. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2025 BMW M7. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe to Car World. Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.